how to remaster your photo on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open the app drawer on your device and tap on the gallery application. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the gallery application. To remaster your photo, you need to make sure install the latest software version on your device. Tap the any photo you want to add remaster AI effect. Here we select this photo. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap the details. Now here you can see option remaster. Tap on it. Now a remaster picture you can see screen on your device. Now you can see how it looks before remaster and after Galaxy AI apply. You can see it here. This is the original photo. When you remaster it, it will look like this. So quite helpful feature to improve the quality of your photos on your Samsung device using new Galaxy AI feature. That's it. You can also save it. Tap on a save icon. Also share with your social media friend. Or also tap on a more button and save copy. So quite helpful feature to improve photo quality on your Samsung S24 Ultra using this Galaxy AI remaster feature. That's it. If you like it, share it.